Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate BitLocker encryption on Windows 11 Pro step by step clearly. To activate BitLocker encryption on Windows 11 Pro, begin by clicking on the Start menu. Next, type Control Panel in the search bar and select it from the results. In the Control Panel, locate and click on the System and Security option. Then, find and select BitLocker Drive Encryption. You will see a list of drives available on your computer. Choose the drive you want to encrypt, and click on the Turn on BitLocker link. Windows will now check your system to see if it meets the requirements for BitLocker. Once the check is complete, a setup wizard will appear. You will be prompted to choose how you want to unlock your drive. You can select to use a password or a smart card. If you choose a password, enter your desired password and confirm it. Next, you will be asked how you want to back up your recovery key. You can save it to your Microsoft account, a USB drive, or print it out. Select an option and follow the prompts to save the recovery key. After that, you will choose how much of your drive to encrypt. You can either encrypt the entire drive or just the used space. Now, select the encryption mode you prefer. If this is a new device, it is recommended to use the new encryption mode. However, if you're using an older machine, you might want to select the compatibility mode. The wizard will then confirm your selections. Click on Start Encrypting to begin the encryption process. This may take some time, depending on the size of the drive. You can close the BitLocker Drive encryption window during the process, but remember that encryption will continue in the background. Once the process is complete, you will receive a notification indicating that your drive is now encrypted. You can check the BitLocker status at any time in the BitLocker Drive encryption window. Congratulations, you have successfully activated BitLocker encryption on your Windows 11 Pro device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.